Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download shaders in Minecraft Education for PC and mobile. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up a web browser. It could be on your mobile device or computer. And then go ahead and locate MCPE Central. Okay. Hit on enter. And then in here, just go ahead and find shaders. Okay. Click on shaders. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll be able to see a ton of shaders right here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and use just a simple vibrant visual shader, okay? If you want to, if you have a powerful computer, you can go ahead and use RTX shaders. If not, just use the vibrant visual shaders right here, okay? So to download it, you can look for example, right here we have VFX shader V3. So we have ZEU7 shader. So let's just go ahead and try this one. Okay, as you can see here, it works for mobile devices. Maybe I'm just going to download this one right here, Vibrant Aura. So click on the download link below. Now skip to downloads right here. Here we have installation guides for what? Android, iOS, and Windows. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on download. And depending on the website where you're trying to download a shader, well, the advertisements will be different. Okay, so just basically follow simple prompts. As you can see here, it says files ready. So I'm just going to download this one. I'm going to save it on my desktop, save, wait for the download process to finish. And then once that's done, you can click on this one or double click on the downloaded file. It will just automatically open up Minecraft Bedrock. So it doesn't load up Minecraft Education. So just go ahead and find the downloaded file, right click on it, open with, and just find Minecraft Education. Click on it and it will just load up. Okay. So once it loads up to your Minecraft Education, well, just go ahead and go to settings. Now scroll down to global resources, go to my packs and just enable the downloaded pack or shader. Activate. Now you can go ahead and open up a new world or an existing world, okay? So for example, I'm gonna hit on play right here. Here we have an existing world. You can just click on edit. Now go to resource packs and just make sure that under available, find Vibrant Aura or the ones that you have downloaded and just activate it. Now it will be under activated section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new world right here. Create. Resource packs, available, owned, vibrant, activate. Now go ahead and change the settings right here however you want. Okay, I'm just going to enable Minecraft Education features right here, just for it to at least feel like Minecraft Education. Okay, but the settings, the UI is basically the same. So just click on create, and then once that's done, your shaders should be applied automatically. And by the way, okay, I forgot to mention, before you open up a world, you have to go to video and enable vibrant visuals, okay? Make sure that you enable it. Now go ahead and go back, resume the game, and your shader should be available right now. And that is it. And that's how simple it is to download shaders in Minecraft Education. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.